Kocchi's Bird's Eye View 360 camera system uses 4 HD cameras mounted around the vehicle to give you a bird's eye view of your surroundings. This system offers enhanced safety features for drivers, particularly in scenarios such as parking or changing lanes. With our 3D 360-degree high-definition surround view camera system, its exclusive panoramic and bird's eye views deliver more complete coverage. Views change dynamically depending up the vehicle is in reverse or with active turn signals, so critical areas are always in sight. This is a highly sophisticated system for use on private cars, commercial vehicles, mining, quarrying, and also construction machines. Quick in-field calibration, no special tools or computers are needed. With Kocchi's 360 system, it's easier to park and maneuver vehicle, damage and repairs are minimized, and the risks are greatly reduced. For any more information on this product, visit our website.